If you want to see my thoughts on this unit, please continue watching. This wig is from Ebony line. It is called Risk Taker, and this is color 2B. This wig is from the Sensational line. It has 2 clips on top and 1 on the bottom, as well as an adjustable band. It also has a middle parting, as you can see. I did go in and fill it in with my foundation color. All right, so what do I think about this wig? I do like the fact that it's short. I like the curl pattern because it has a kind of wavy texture, and I feel like this is really in right now. I don't really see a whole lot of wigs with this type of curl pattern, which I actually really like. I don't know if it looks super realistic, but I think there is that realistic factor to it. It definitely combs out pretty easy, which I like, and it's not losing its shape when I comb it. And I feel like it might also be slightly asymmetrical, which is not terrible. I actually don't mind that. I think it makes it look a little bit more trendy. It is kind of big and it is a little bit wild. So for people that might not like that look, this might not be the wig for you. I mean, the name is Risk Taker, and I feel like unless you're kind of comfortable with having big hair and a kind of different curl pattern, you're probably not going to be that comfortable with going out to wear this wig. Right now on Ebony line, which is the cheapest site that I've seen so far, it retails for $25.10 plus shipping. I think at $25, it's super affordable, it's very nice, and I do think it would be a really nice summer wig because it's so light and so short. The one thing I will say also is I do feel like the wig cap itself could have been a little bit bigger. I found myself even having to like kind of shift it forward a little bit. So if you have a larger head, keep that in mind. All right, so I did want to stand up and show you guys what it looks like from all angles. I would say if you're somebody that's like me and enjoys changing up your style and doesn't mind that this looks a little bit big and different, then yes, I would definitely recommend this wig. However, if you're somebody that likes your wigs a little bit more tame and believable, then this might not be the wig for you. If I were rating this wig, I would give it an 8 out of 10. But I'll definitely be wearing it again. I do like it. I think that it looks really good and super trendy. What do you guys think about the wig? Let me know down below. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching my review. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, can you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? Also, if you enjoyed this content, please smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I will be uploading a new video weekly. We are going to be doing another wig review next week. Have a fabulous day. Bye!